Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create auto captions on CapCut for PC. This is a game changer for making your videos more accessible and engaging. So, let's dive right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. You'll see the main interface. Now, click on New Project and import the video you want to add captions to. Once your video is on the timeline, go to the top left corner and click on Text. This will open up a range of text editing options for you to explore. In the text editing section, locate and click on the Auto Captions option. Then, hit the Create button. CapCut will automatically transcribe the audio from your video into text, simplifying the captioning process. After the auto captions are generated, click on them in the timeline to edit. You can correct any mistakes, change the font, size, and color to make sure they're clear and easy to read. Now, play your video and watch the caption sync with the audio.
Hey everyone, welcome back to On Purpose, the #1 health podcast in the world. Thanks to each and every one of you that come back every week.
If they're off, you can drag the text boxes around in the timeline to match the speech perfectly. Once you're happy with the captions, it's time to export. Click on Export in the top right corner, choose your settings, and hit Export again. And that's it, how you add auto captions to your videos using CapCut on PC. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.